Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited today to do a little makeup look. It's just kind of going to be like a natural summer, easy breezy, not cover girl. Yeah. So yeah, I guess let's just get into it. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. I just kind of wanted to do my makeup because, drumroll please, today is my 2-year anniversary of being in remission officially. I kind of found out I was in remission in like July 2 years ago, but I finished chemo exactly 2 years ago today. So I wanted to take some photos to post about that. I also started a new business, so I'm kind of doing like an about me today. So yeah, I needed a picture for that, so I was like, let's just do our makeup. So this is only the second time that I'm doing my makeup in the past 5 months. So it's already been a month since the last time I wore makeup. So I went 4 months without wearing makeup completely, and now this is only the second time. So I guess because it was like my first time wearing makeup again, I went a little overboard. So today we're gonna really try to keep it light and simple is the mood. It's summer, so let's moisturize and put on sunscreen. So I already cleaned my face and used toner. So I've been using this Blume Moisturizer. I really like it. It's very lightweight, but also like an actual cream, you know, so I like it a lot. If people are actually watching this, can you let me know some of your favorite skincare products? What moisturizer you use? I would love to know. I am a skincare fiend lately, and I really improved my skin, so I think not wearing makeup has really helped. But I have this whole bucket of new skincare that I still need to try because I'm crazy. So maybe when I'm done with that, if you guys have good suggestions, I would love to look into those. This is the new sunscreen that I've been using. It's by Versed or Versed, I don't know. Skincare by Hiram really likes this company, so I got this to try out. I like how it's tinted, even though it's tinted for like white people's skin color. The fact that it's not white actually like helps blend it in a little more to like my skin tone, you know? The only complaint I have about this sunscreen is that like taking it off is kind of hard for some reason. Like my face washes don't really take it off. I even used like an exfoliator and it was kind of hard to take off. So I think I'm going to try this Super Goop sunscreen next. But once again, if you have a good sunscreen rec, let me know. Cool. Okay, I have 2 primers. For summer especially, I like to use this Cover FX blurring primer because it minimizes pores. It's basically like the cleaner version of Benefits Professional, and I just feel like it helps a lot in summer for like when you're oily. So I actually use like a pretty good amount of this, especially because I like keep my makeup light. I feel like this helps to keep the rest of my skin kind of looking good when I wear light makeup. And I especially like to put it on my under eyes and stuff because that's where I focus most of my makeup. I like to use this Josie Maran Argan Enlightenment Illuminizer, especially for summer, you guys. Get that shine in. Anyways, I like to put this under my eyes and on my cheekbones. I'll put it again over my makeup, but I just like to put it under as well for a bit of a highlight. A little on my forehead. But yeah, those are the main areas. This is just to like brighten up the area, you know? Oh, you know what? I should have put this over my corrector. I was gonna use Lift Tinted. Oops. Oh well, I'll still do it over this. So now I look very shiny. I wanted to use Lift Tinted's Hue Stick in the shade Rise. This is the orange shade. fun fact, I helped launch these. I used to work for them. So yeah, this was my first introduction to using color correctors. Never really heard of them before. But yeah, I kind of, like, I really do see the difference when you use them. So when I do like light makeup, especially, I try to do it all the time. It's especially good for heavy makeup, but when I do light makeup, it's nice to have a little bit of a corrector because you're not using as much makeup, so this kind of gives you a little extra something something. And I just blend that out. I'm using my fingers right now for God knows what reason, because I have a beauty blender right here. I'm gonna use the beauty blender. I feel like it kind of disappears a lot, so I layer it. That's why I use my fingers, because I feel like when I use the beauty blender, it disappears a lot. You can use the red if like you're my skin tone or a few shades darker, because the red I feel like is a little bit stronger. So that's why I'm using the orange, so that's a little more subtle. Okay, and then you're supposed to like blur it out a bit. There you go. Up close. Okay, concealer. I mean, I feel like I just have to use Fenty. Yeah, okay. I like the Fenty concealer a lot. It's what I've been using for the past year, I'd say. Okay, now I'm really trying to teach myself to just start off with less and then build up from there. I think my issue is that I always go too much at first, and then I'm like, oh, but I was trying to go for a light look, but if I just build it up, it'll be so much better. It's so weird doing makeup again. Alright. Should I zoom in? Is it better if I like bring it all up to my face? Once again, I'm using my beauty blenders, so I just like to tap out the parts where I was trying to cover blemishes.
Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way, oh, way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, way, oh.
I can really tell the difference when I use the Josie Maran product, because it just feels so much like glowier. My face does, and like the makeup shows up, I feel like, a lot brighter because of that. Also the heat stick of course helped. So there you go. You can kind of see the difference, blend it out. I just feel like Fenty, I think I saw someone say that she really wanted the makeup to look like skin, and that's kind of what I try to go for, because like obviously you can build it up and make yourself look glam, but I just want my makeup to look like skin. I want it to be super natural. Guys, when you don't wear makeup for a long time and then you see yourself with makeup, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel good because you're like, dang, I can look like that. I forgot.
You got me singing, way, oh, way, oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
Look at that. Who is this? Who is this? I don't know her. I don't know her. I don't know her. No, I don't know who this is. IDK her. Okay. This is looking really good. I could be happy stopping here, but I just want to put a teeny bit more just in my inner corner area, like right over here.
Way, oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way, oh, oh. Maybe let's take a drive.
Yeah, I think that just added a little bit more brightness. And that's perfecto.
Take a drive.
So I'm going to go over a little bit around the mouth area. There's not really anything on my blender, but just doing this makes me feel better, like I blended it to my neck. I think that's good. What I'm just going to do now is I'm going to add a teeny bit of powder. I don't want to add too much because I just don't want to look like super powdery. I just want more of a glowy look. So I'm just going to use this under my eyes and on my T-zone where I get really, and I just like to use my beauty blender for this as well. it's been 5 minutes since I've gotten them done, so I'm just gonna like brush them out and see what that does. Trying to see what that messy look would do. I just don't know. I just don't even know how to fix them. This is the Hourglass brow sculpting pencil, by the way. Oh well, I think that's good enough. I'm gonna go back with a little bit more of Josie. Literally the teeniest dot. Put that for a nose highlight. Do a little underbrow highlight. And overbrow highlight. And of course, cheek. This is the MAC Into Eternity Electric Wonder Powder. It actually matches my beauty blender scarily well, very well. Holy crap, that was scary. Okay, and I'm just gonna dab it here. It's kind of like a blush too, so just put a little something here, pretend I know what I'm doing. Remember that. My two fave mascaras are this one. It's called Mile High Club by Wander Beauty, and the Kush mascara by Milk. So, I don't know which one to choose today. Maybe I'll try both. I don't know, we'll see. Let's start off with Mile High.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take it.
And then I think I'll use the Kush mascara on my other eye. This is so dumb.
Drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh.
Alright, which one won, you guys? I don't know. I feel like they look about the same. Alright, and lips are the last thing. So I just feel like with this top, my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick goes really well. It's in the color Bond Girl. And I'm just gonna put it really light because I just want like a tint. And then use this Lip Retreat oil by Wander Beauty in the shade Skinny Dip. So great summer gloss. I feel like I said that in another video before last year. This is the finished. Simple, light, kind of not that light because it's heavy compared to wearing nothing, but there you go. I want to zoom in and zoom out. There you go, guys. That is the finished makeup look. This, like, I could say this is like heavy for me. Anything more than this would be like glam, but this is still heavy. So yeah. Anyways, I think it's perfect enough to go take some pictures for Instagram. I don't know, man. Once again, let me know any like skincare recommendations you guys have, because I always want to try new stuff. And make sure to like this video, please, and subscribe. Subscribe most of all. That means the most to me. You guys can follow my social media. It's just at KC. I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Like, especially if you subscribe and you know you're kind of following along with my life. That really means a lot that people actually do that for me. So thank you so much. Yeah, I'm really just trying to get into more regular videos, so I have a lot going on. Like I was saying, I launched my own business, and you guys can go check it out. It's called Holistic Canine, with just one C connecting the holistic and the canine. But yeah, I'll link it below. Go ahead and follow us on social media if you want, and check out our website. But yeah, that's all. Thanks again, you guys, so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life.